In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background in Nano Banana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use Google's tools to strip a background from any image quickly and cleanly using a simple prompt. I'll keep things straightforward and focused so you can follow along without any guesswork. First, open your browser and head to Google. This is the quickest way to get to the right place without memorizing links. In the search box, type Google Gemini. This will bring up the official Gemini page at the top of your results. Using search helps you land on the current, correct interface, even if the design or link structure changes over time. Click the Google Gemini website result to launch the app interface. Give it a second to load. You should see a workspace with options for creating or interacting with content. This is where we'll access the background removal capability. Now look for the Create Image button. Go ahead and click it. This activates Nano Banana, the image creation and editing mode that can interpret your instructions and apply them to the image you provide. Think of Nano Banana as the part of Gemini that handles visual tasks, including background edits based on your prompt. Next, upload your reference image by clicking the plus sign. Choose the photo you want to edit from your computer. For best results, pick an image where the subject stands out from the background with clear edges and decent lighting. High-resolution files work better, and common formats like JPG and PNG are ideal. If your subject blends into the background, try a version with more contrast. With your image attached, it's time to write your prompt. Keep it clear and direct. A simple instruction like, "Remove the background," works well. If you want a particular result, you can specify it in the same prompt, such as remove the background to make it transparent, or remove the background and replace it with a solid white background. Clarity helps the tool preserve edges, hair, and fine details. Finally, click Submit. The tool will process your request and generate an output with the background removed. Give it a moment. When the result appears, check edges around hair, hands, and fine textures. If you need a cleaner cutout or a different background style, adjust your prompt wording and submit again for a refined result. That's it. You went from a regular photo to a clean cutout using Nano Banana inside Gemini with just a search, an upload, a clear prompt, and a single click.